Hello everyone, my name is Marlene Zain, and we would like to show you the tips on how to clean storage for PC or laptop without using any application. You see, suffering from your computer running low on storage space and a bunch of unorganized files which scattered all over your computer storage that can lead to more serious problems like viruses, lags, and loss of important files is a common issue among users. Cleaning up your storage space is necessary to keep your PC in high performance, clean, and even running smoothly. There are some of the benefits of cleaning your PC without using any application. First, cleaning up your storage can free more space for more important files to be stored or kept. Secondly, performing a cleanup helps to detect junk files, which usually takes a lot of disk space. Other than that, viruses are removed after performing a full system scan. It helps your computer perform faster and also decrease time of searching for files that you usually need. Last but not least, it helps to get rid of trash, which may contain viruses that can possibly infect your computer if not removed immediately.
Hello everyone, I am Ashita binti Muhammad Hamdi. Now I will show you how to clean up your storage without using any application. First and foremost, we can free up the storage by moving files to the external storage. What you should do is you must connect an external storage device to transfer the files to free up the space on the main drive. If the external storage remains connected to the computer, you can even configure Windows 11 to save files directly onto the secondary drive. To offload files to a different location, connect an external drive with enough space and use these steps. So, the first step is open the File Explorer. After that, you must browse to the folder with the content that taking the most space on the drive. Then, after that, you must select the items. Then, click the Cut button from the command bar. And then you must browse to the destination drive. Then, you click the Paste button. My tips is, if you want to keep files being organized, you can create a new folder with a description name and paste into files inside. Not only that, if you have a lot of data, it is recommended to transfer the files in chunks and not everything at once. Okay, once you complete the steps, you can repeat the instructions to move additional files and folders to a new location to reduce the storage usage in the location running out of space. The second tip is you can free up space deleting temporary files. As a part of the storage tools available in Windows 11, you also can delete temporary files manually using the storage settings. So there are steps to use temporary files manually. Firstly, open settings and then click on systems. After that, you can click the storage page on the right side. Then you can click on the temporary files settings. After that, select the junk files to delete from Windows 11. Such as you can select downloads, Windows Update Cleanup, Recycle Bin, Delivery Optimizing Files, Thumbnails, Microsoft Defender Antivirus, Temporary Files, and so on. The available item may different in your installation. If you want to select downloads item, consider that this option will erase everything in the downloads folder. After that, you can click on remove files button. Okay, once you complete the steps, the files will delete permanently, freeing up space on the computer. Next, tips to clean up your storage without using any application is with free up with storage sense. That means storage sense is a feature that provides the tools to quickly delete many types of junk files, such as previous installation files, temporary files from apps, and more from the device to reclaim storage space. To enable, configure, and use storage sense on Windows, use these steps. First of all, we need to open settings. After that, click on System. Then click the storage page on the right. Then under the storage management section, turn on the storage sense toggle switch. Step number 5 is select the storage sense setting. Under the clean up temporary files section, check the keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files option to allow the system to delete junk files as needed. Next, what should we do is turn on the automatic user content clean up toggle switch. Under the configure clean up schedules section, use the run storage sense drop down menu and select the best clean up option for you, such as every day or every week or every month or during low free disk space recommended. And use the recycle bin drop down menu to specify how to clear already delete files. Use downloads drop down menu to specify how to clean up files you downloaded from the internet into the downloads folder. The tips is to delete most files, use the 1-day option for the settings. The downloads folder may contain important files, which means that it is recommended to backup those files manually before running storage sense. Under the locally available cloud content section, use the drop down menu to specify how long OneDrive content sent to the device becomes online only. Okay, this is for optional. Click the run storage sense now button, then check the delete previous versions of Windows option if applicable.
With number matrix BF211-60251. Today I'm going to give you some tips how to clean our MacBook storage without using apps with 5 steps. First steps, we delete unnecessary file and apps we don't often use. Second, we empty trash. Third, we zip the file. Fourth, clean out downloads folder. And last, store our file on iCloud. Now I would like to share a tutorial video how to store a file on iCloud. Please enjoy the video.
Open Finder to get iCloud Drive.
And choose the file that you wanna keep.
Simply drag
To iCloud that we opened just now, and now just wait until the file uploaded on iCloud. For example, this is my photos, and I like to keep screenshot on my iCloud. We can see iCloud storage, whether it is full or not here.
Hello everyone, my name is Danielson, and in this video we will discuss about ways to delete junk or temporary files. But before that, let's see what are junk files or temporary files. Junk files are temporary files that created by your own computer or phone in order for it to accomplish a task, such as opening a document, seeing an image, or browsing the internet. These files are beneficial in the short term, but once they've served their role, they're merely rubbish, and system junk files can slow down your device. It is not your fault that you have garbage files on your computer or phone. They are unavoidable and all-pervasive. Thankfully, they are not the same as bloatware or a computer virus, but if you ignore them for too long, they will slow down your device and have influence on performance. That's why frequently deleting garbage file is a good practice. One of numerous reasons why your PC slows down over time, or why you may experience 100% disk use in Windows 10, is an accumulation of garbage files. Almost every action you do on your computer necessitates the creation of a temporary file. However, that file is only required to install, launch, or execute your request at that specific time. Once that procedure is complete, the file is no longer needed and become computer garbage. The issue is, these files remain in their original format on your device, consuming out space and slowing your PC down. Browser cache files that assist load frequently visited web pages faster, or keep your shopping basket filled while browsing an e-commerce site are examples of temporary files that improve the user experience. However, for optimal speed and safer internet browsing, it is best to clear your browser and erase your browser cookies on a regular basis. Next, we need to know, is it safe for us to delete junk files? The answer is yes. Junk files can be safely deleted. Keep in mind that garbage files were not always junk files. They used to be nothing more than files that were helpful in completing a specific task. Those files are no longer needed and should be destroyed once the task has been completed. In Windows, you can always recover deleted data. So if you accidentally delete a garbage file that you later realize you need, you can get it back. However, recovering garbage file is nearly never necessary. Furthermore, because trash files are formed as a result of typical activities like web browsing and software installation, this essential file will simply be recreated anytime your device requires them.
Hi, I am Muhammad Ashraf bin Rosli. After you watch Dennis' explanation about the meaning of the junk files, so next I'll talk about the different types of junk files or temporary files. There are many different types of junk files found on computer. The most includes the temporary internet files, temporary program data, temporary system files, old program files, recycle bin files, and the last one, thumbnails. So let me explain one by one. The first one is temporary internet files, also known as cache files, are created and stored while you are browsing and are then loaded if you revisit a website. If you consider how many sites you visit and never touch again, most of these caches lay dormant forever. So the second one is temporary program data, which is created when you install an application but it doesn't get used again once this process is finished. The third one is temporary system files, which are created to perform specific tasks and then hold no purpose. Next, which is old program files. If a program isn't removed properly, associated temporary files will stick around long after you have uninstalled or moved the program to the trash or recycle bin. Next, recycle bin files. When you move a file or folder to the recycle bin or trash, it hasn't actually been deleted from your system and will remain there until you empty it. Discarded files in the recycle bin are likely unnecessary but remain in the folder, sometimes taking gigabytes of storage. And the last one is thumbnails. Can be considered junk files, however you don't need to clean them unless necessary. If clean, your system will have to generate thumbnails again, which can slow things down. If you need to open the image again, a new thumbnail always gets created. So basically, junk files created whenever you run a program or download files from internet, it automatically creates junk file. The unused data, browsing history, caches, and cookies are all junk that clog your PC and takes up memory space unnecessarily. Junk files can negatively impact your system performance, so these types of files will make your PC lag and slow. The first way to clean the junk files or temporary file is empty the recycle bin. Why? Okay, the recycle bin stores all the files you have deleted from your computer. It is a handy utility as you can restore deleted files if you accidentally discard any. However, if not cleaned frequently, it can accumulate gigabytes of files that eat into your storage space. So, the step 1, open the recycle bin from the desktop. If you don't have any desktop shortcut available, type recycle bin in the Windows search bar and click on the best match. Second step, go through the deleted files. If you want to restore any, right click and choose restore. To delete all the files, just right click inside the folder and choose empty recycle bin. And the last one, you can perform this action from desktop. Right click on the recycle bin shortcut and choose empty recycle bin. Click yes to confirm the action. Your computer collects these junk files every time you use your device. There's nothing you can do to avoid this. When you collect too many of these, you can imagine how much space they take up. While they are unharmful, they can slow your device down by taking up this valuable storage space. That's all from me, thank you.
Hello everyone, I will continue on the way to delete junk file or temporary file. So in this video, I will explain another two ways to delete the junk file or temporary file. So the first way that I will explain is clean up the temporary file by removing the junk file. What you need to do to remove the junk file is you need to press the Windows key and R button at the same time. After that, you will open Run. After you open Run, you need to type this and then you need to click OK. After you click OK, you will be automatically go to the temporary file as a location that they have been restored automatically by the Windows to hold information where this file is restored to Windows temporary file. After that, what you need to do is select all the temporary file and you can delete all the temporary file by pressing the delete button or right click on the mouse and delete it. The last way to clean up the junk file or temporary file I will explain is by using the command prompt. What is the command prompt? Command prompt is one of the command line interface program they use to execute command in Windows operating system. Actually, there are some popular command prompt that people will use, and by using this command prompt as well, you can delete the junk files or temporary file. So what you need to do to delete the junk file by using the command prompt, so you need to follow this following step. The first step that you need to do is open the command prompt. How to open the command prompt? So what you need to do is, to open the command prompt is you need to press the window key or the start button and search for CMD. Just CMD. After you search the CMD, the command prompt will be appear and you can open it. After you open it, you will be automatically to the command prompt. After that, what you need to type at the command prompt is this keyword. After you type this keyword, you can click enter and you will be automatically go to the temporary file been restored, where the temporary file the location. After that, you can delete all the temporary file by select all the temporary file and delete it by pressing the delete button or right click and select delete. So the second way is by using this command prompt, you also can delete all the temporary file. So what you need to do is in the same step, but you need to type this keyword at the command prompt. After you type this keyword, you need to press enter and then you can delete all the temporary file. So I hope in this video we have introduced you what is the junk file or temporary file and the type of the different of temporary file and junk file. So there are 3 steps on where to delete the junk file or temporary file. So we hope that this video can help you to reduce lag on your computer or laptop. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, in this part we're going to recommend to you some applications that can clean your computer or laptop effectively. So I'm going to recommend to you this computer or laptop cleaning application called Restoro. So first thing first, I will be telling you about this Restoro application. Restoro is a Windows repair tool and it is a complete system solution that makes use of powerful technology to secure and repair your computer or laptop. It can also detect dangerous websites and remove malware threats. It will also restore the max performance of your computer or laptop. And it can replace the damaged Windows files. Moving to the features, the first features of this Restoro is that they can optimize Windows registry and it has functionality for operating system restoration. And it also performs computer or laptop scan and assessment and hardware analysis. And the last feature is it will also download new and healthy files. And the verdict for this Restoro application is that Restoro offers a PC repair plan by providing the functionalities like virus and spyware removal, repairing virus damage, repairing Windows stability issues, and so on. And it also offers free support and free manual repair. So this is the first step for the Restoro guidance to its download and installation. The first step is you just need to search Restoro cleaning application download on the Google platform. And when you come to the Restoro application download website, waiting for the download process, the website will show you the guidance or steps to install Restoro in your computer or laptop. And this may take some time to download and install the Restoro. The second guidance is Restoro will start scanning your computer or laptop immediately after you have downloaded it. After the installation, Restoro will ask for permission to run in your laptop. After you admit to let Restoro run in your computer or laptop, it will immediately start to scan the problems in your laptop. The scanning process will show the problems that need to be cleaned. This may take some time to scan the problems, and while scanning, the Restoro will compiling the data, detecting the crash programs, junk files, and other things that can make your computer or laptop lagging or have technical problems. But if you want to cancel the scanning process, you can just click the abort button and it will stop scanning immediately. You can start at any time to let the Restoro fix the troubleshooting that you are having problem with. After some time scanning, Restoro will finalize the troubleshooting and will ask you the permission to start repairing it. In here, you can see how many junk files, broken registry issues, crash programs, and privacy issues that your computer has. And the last thing is Restoro pricing deals. You can select your choice of repair plan after you have clicked the Start Repair button. As you can see here, there are 3 types of repair plan you can choose, which is basic, premium, and extended repair plans for the Restoro to start repairing your computer or laptop software cleaning issues. So that's all from me for recommending this Restoro application to clean your computer or laptop effectively. Thank you.
Okay, hello. So our next recommended application is AVG TuneUp Cleaner. But before I want to tell you more about AVG TuneUp Cleaner, I want to share a few information why our laptop or PC sometimes becomes slow, stuck, or lag. So here, few reasons why our laptop slow. First, you have an overwhelming antivirus program. Second, you have too many startup programs. Third, your browser has too many add-ons. 4, you don't have enough memory. And 5, your hard drive is 95% full. Okay, AVG PC TuneUp. This software suite for Microsoft Windows designed to help manage, maintain, optimize, configure, and troubleshoot a computer system. The developer of this software is AVG Technology, and for the operating system is for Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. And this software released 25 years ago and stable release in 2018. The size of this software is only 45 MB, so don't worry guys. What is AVG TuneUp? AVG TuneUp is a software clean tool. It can scan your computer drive and find problem apps not used, program in need of being updated, and more. It also can clean the disk space by removing temporary and hidden files that simply slow down and jam up the computer performance. AVG TuneUp also a system utility software for older computers which run maintenance routine to enhance overall performance. TuneUp automates maintenance routine, thus saving your time and includes more optimization options. Okay, here the AVG TuneUp look. So as you see, there is 4 tools. First, automatic maintenance tool. It removes tracking cookies, cache file, old files from remove application and fix issue with the Windows registry. Second, the speed up tool. It makes the application in sleep mode until needed to reduce their burden on the computer's resource. Third, free up space, remove installer files, temporary system files, browser cache, and other files. And finally, the fix problem tools is an uninstaller to remove unwanted programs like bloatware and a software updater that install the most recent patches or updates. So here I just put 2 feedback for this AVG TuneUp software. But if you want to know more about this AVG TuneUp, you can look it or search it from the internet, or you can also download it from Play Store. So that's all from me. I hope this AVG TuneUp software can help you to to clean your computer and have a better performance. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, in this video you will now find unnecessary features that you can disable in Windows 10. Windows 10 comes out with a lot of features. Most of them are useful, however, there are some just lying there. A regular Windows user doesn't use the features, so it is better to disable them. To disable features on Windows 10, click on the Start menu and then tap the Control panel. Now click on it, then click on Program. Click on Turn Window Features on or off. Now go to the whole video and decide which features to remove. The first one is Internet Explorer 11. Microsoft has completely moved to the edge and stopped sending updates to Internet Explorer via Windows. Update. If you are still using it and want to update, you need to download the update manually. I will say, why bother, just disable and start using the edge. That is much better than Internet Explorer. So we click it and click the yes button. Number 2 is legacy components. Direct Play was used in the Windows Live games a long way. It is not longer being used in modern games, so you can also disable this feature. Number 3 is media feature, Windows Media Player. I don't use Windows Media Player much nowadays. There are some third-party media players that I use, so I'm going to disable it. If you are still using Windows Media Player, there is no need to disable it. Number 4 is Microsoft XPS Document Writer. Microsoft introduced XPS to replace the need for PDF files. It is similar to the PDF files, however, not that popular. XPS Document Writer features allow you to print XPS files. If you don't use them, you can disable this feature. Number 5 is Internet Printing Clients. If you expand the Print and Document section, you will see a bunch of features in which the Internet Printing Client are for printing the documents over the internet, or if you have an online printer, don't disable it. However, if your printer is attached to your computer, this feature is useless, so you can disable it.
Feeling that your MacBook is lagging or having less performance? Do you want to increase your MacBook performance? Yes, you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to show with you guys ways to turn off unnecessary running background for MacBook. Let's get started. It is a sign of the MacBook being unresponsive when an app refuses to close. It means that although they are not working, but they are still taking the system resources. In this case, the best way to get rid of the app and save power is to force close the app. To do so, follow the step below. Step 1. Click the Apple lock in the menu bar. Then, select Force Quit from the list of options. Step 3. Choose the frozen application and click Force Quit. And the last step, confirm the action by clicking Force Quit again. This will instantly close the frozen application. After that, restart your Mac and experience the distinction. You are encouraged to use Activity Monitor to see what is running on your MacBook. This inbuilt utility helps to identify how the apps are consuming storage. It shows CPU consumption, storage usage, and the RAM usage. When your Mac is running slower than usual, head to the Activity Monitor and get a list of all running processes. Arrange them by CPU usage, RAM, or power usage. This will help locate the culprit. Once that is identified, kill it and boost your Mac performance. To do so, follow the step below. Step 1. From the Apple menu bar, click Go, then go to Utilities. After that, select Activity Monitor and double-click to open it. When it is launched, check for the list of running programs. And step 4, click %sign CPU to sort them. Those using the most power will be listed at the top of the list. And step 5, to check which app is taking up the most memory, click Memory next to the CPU. Once you know which apps are taking the most power, select them one by one and click the Quit button. And last step, confirm the action by clicking Quit again. This way, you can free up memory and kill the unnecessary processes that are slowing down the Mac. Please be noted that if there is a process that you are unfamiliar with, we suggest not to click it, as it may cause your system to become unstable. Thank you.
Thanks to Sherry and Xinghui for sharing. Now, I will let you know 7 steps that can help you manage your computer storage. For those who is struggling with laggy computers, one of the reasons might be the lack of storage space left in your computer. That's bad, but don't worry, I'm going to teach you steps that hopefully will resolve your problem. Right. Let's start off with step 1. Uninstalling unnecessary apps or programs. As shown in the slide above, click Start and then select Apps, then select Apps and Features, sort by size, then decide whether to delete programs that are eating up space. Then simply click Uninstall after you have decided. For students, it would be wise to delete most of your games, as they often take a lot of space too. Clean your computer. No, I don't mean physically, but you should too. What I meant was cleaning it internally, as in all those photos, videos, files, and of projects and pictures. They take up space and also operating memory, and it slows down the PC. So it might be a good idea to either delete them or just move them into a pen drive, micro SD, or some cloud storage, since you aren't going to use it every step. 3. Empty your recycle bin. No, I'm not referring to the recycling bin that recycles canned plastic bottles or glass. I'm referring to the recycle bin in your computer. After step 2 and step 1, you might have deleted some files, programs, or games, but those files and programs don't get deleted permanently yet. You need to head over to the recycle bin to delete them forever and free up space for your computer. Step 4. Use the Disk Cleanup feature. This handy utility tool comes in standard Windows 10 PCs and it is a one-click solution to deleting unnecessary operating systems such as Windows Update and temporary files. Windows can recognize this for you and remove. Step 5. Every time you see a website, there is a trail of files left behind, such as images, text files, and cookies that makes your next visit to the same site faster. If privacy is an issue for you, or you need more space on your hard drive, there's no need to keep those files around. Each browser tab has a different way to clear those files, so check your browser documentations for best result. You can also use the Windows tool to tackle temporary files. Consider this an opportunity to delete cookies, discard temporary files, and clear your cache, which will have an immediate positive effect on your browsing experience. Step 6. Deleting large files or duplicate files. Consider using a program that finds duplicate files and large files on your PC and deletes them. For duplicate files, for instance, you will get a pop-up window or message before you save another second copy, asking you if you want to save the same copy to your PC. However, there's some cases where you lost the file or you put the photo in another place, so you might end up downloading duplicate files, and that's a problem, and you should find it and delete duplicate files as they take up space. Step 7. If you have tried step 1 to step 6 and your computer still doesn't have enough space and is lagging pretty hard, then you should consider buying a HDD or an SSD for your desktop, laptop, or computer, because you don't have enough space. What do you do if you don't have enough space? Buy more. That's the solution if you have files that you cannot delete and you need more space. Just buy it. I hope our video helped you to learn how to turn off unnecessary background apps and how to manage your